So, I'm sure na nasagot mo na to yung about baby sobrang payat.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Yes. And what is really, is there something wrong? Or is
he has no, I mean, yes, kasi kakagaling din namin sa executive checkup and everything. So he's in good health and everything. Sadyang ano lang talaga, how many years na kami together na we have managed to keep his non-makeup appearance from the public. Pero yung totoo is, kaya nung showtime pa lang nagbibiruan naman na sila na, di ba, wala na siyang buhok, na may dark circles siya and everything. It's part of who he is, and I just honestly nakakalungkot because ako nag-post lang una. Pero, so syempre, di ba, parang, hindi kasi it was such, the reason why I shared that post is because kakauwi niya lang, jet lag pa siya and everything. It was a nice family moment na parang ang harmless ng intention, ang pure ng intention na andun si Amari kumakain, andun yung lola niya, yung lolo niya, and si Billy. That's why I thought to share it. And you know, people always say na they wanna see more of these moments from us. Tapos mag-share kami, tapos nakaitin niyo kami. Talaga? Diba? So I mean, if you want to see more of these moments from the people you follow, then this is not how you should react, diba? You should respect people's boundaries at the end of the day. Kasi we try to share what we can with everybody. Pero kung ganito yung nangyayari, syempre mas iisipin natin, ay wag na lang mag-share. Pero hindi, I'll keep on sharing. I'll keep on sharing kasi kami yun eh. And hindi kami ang dapat magbago. Dapat yung mga nanlalait, yung mga nagsistart ng rumors, kayo ang magbago.
I love it.
At sana magsama kayo sa isang proyekto.
Si ni Billy? Ano kayang klaseng proyekto yun? Tapos?
Since gusto naman ngayon yung mga real husband and wife na mga pelikula.
Sana. Pero na-try ko na kasi mag-act with Billy. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Na-try. Para mag-grow, diba?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
It's mostly in that one location lang talaga dun sa hotel room.
When it was offered to you, talaga you said yes mo? Because...
No.
No?
Nag-yes ako. Nag-yes ako, tapos nag-no ako, tapos nag-yes ako. Direct Mac was very open about it naman. He shared it nung press con din namin.
Okay.
Yeah, but syempre, medyo daring siya for me compared to anything I've done in the past. Pero I figured kasi na, kailangan ko din mag-grow, and hindi pwede yung puro like workshop lang. Kaya syempre kailangan, especially hindi ako nagda-teleserye, kailangan talaga na mag-try pa rin. Kahit alam ko na, feeling ko kasi hindi ko kaya.
Pinaalam mo ba to?
Feeling ko hindi ko kaya, pero syempre kailangan ma-overcome. Yeah.
Pero pinaalam mo ba to kay Billy?
I mean, lahat naman ng projects ko, alam niya naman. So, yeah, alam niya din naman about this project.
Ano yung nasabi ni Billy?
Ano yung reaction mo?
Di pa niya napapanood, wala siya tonight eh. Pero alam niya na may mga scenes na di ako masyadong comfortable na panoorin. Pero sabi niya, it's part of the process, especially yung mga scenes na sensitive eh. Kasi at the end of the day, it's the story of the character na kailangan ko i-tell. And I feel like kung pinakyut ko, wala namang justice then. So, kailangan ko to get out of my comfort zone to be able to play roles like this.
You can forget about the love scenes, kasi because of the stories of you and Greg.
Parang I feel like, parang hindi naman tama din para kina Sir Ricky Lee kung ako ang maglilimit naman sa kung ano mangyayari sa movie, diba? So, as an actor, kahit may mga scenes na hindi ako masyadong comfortable, I had to push pa rin.
Kung hindi ka nga, sabi mo nga, hindi ka madalas gumawa ng projects. Beginning today ba, because of the good feedback, you think pwede ka mas magawa ng more projects?
Next month po, may bago ulit.
Go with GMA. I saw the trailer.
Next month po, may bago ulit.
Hindi ka masyado mabibis.
Pero I mean, as long as the good projects keep coming in, yung mga opportunities for me to grow, yun na lang yung tinitignan ko. Kasi iba yung parang process ko for deciding projects. Ngayon, parang gusto ko piliin yung may exercise talaga yung skills ko, yung mahuhon ko yung skills ko para I can improve in my craft also. So, ayun, bago tayo maging sobrang magaling and everything, kailangan natin pagdaanan talaga yung mga ganito.
Pero kung handa ka na bang matype ka sa mga sexy roles?
Hindi naman. Kasi the next one is a thriller and then may isa pa ako na as in totally very wholesome movie. So, I mean, just for this year alone, iba-iba naman yung ginawa ko. So, okay, I mean, di naman ako magta-typecast kasi I feel like if doon ako matatakot, parang kinakahon ko pa rin sarili ko. So, kung hindi, parang it's like saying, di ba, na kung ma-typecast ako, I'll be limited. But I feel like if I limit myself, doon ako malilimit. Doon ako hindi mag-grow. So, if I say no, bawal mga sexy roles, hindi talaga ako mag-grow as an artist. So, I don't wanna limit myself.
And how did you feel nung sinabi ka niya, Direct Mac, na matagal na itong project na to, and finally, nung nabuo siya, they had the perfect cast?
It's always such an honor to hear good feedback from yung mismong director. Tsaka kasi sila yung nakakaalam ng buong process ng film eh. From yung pagbuo ng story all the way up to the end. Sila lang naman din yung, sila lang yung nakakaalam. Sila yung may vision. So, when you read the script kasi, iba-ibang interpretation yun. So, yung interpretation ko iba din sa vision ng director. So, as long as nakuha ng director at ng writer ang gusto nila, I feel like na nag-succeed kami again as actors.
Comfortable ka naman kay Jeggy. Nakita naman natin.
Super naman. Super comfortable. Yeah. And it was, yeah, I'm happy na, I mean, may parts din naman na talagang awkward. Pero apart from that, I'm very happy na si Jeggy nakasama.
Okay.